Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So the fuel pump fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Challenger right here. First thing guys that we need to do, we need to open the trunk. In the trunk you need to lift the carpet liner up. Underneath you have a spare tire, that's a car battery. Right behind it you have a fuse box, that's a closer look of that fuse box. You have a few tabs that you squish together, you need to lift the cover up, and underneath you have that fuse box layout here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here specifically you need to check one fuse for the fuel pump. That's a main fuse, which is a 30 amp fuse, and we're talking about fuse 21. This is the fuse that you see right here, that's the main fuel pump fuse. But the relay is not in that fuse box. The relay for the fuel pump is under the hood. Open the hood, and when you face your engine, you may have a V6 or V8, the fuse box will be on the left side, that's the passenger side. Press the tabs together and pull the cover up. And then underneath you have that fuse box layout here, guys. Where is the fuel pump relay now? Okay, you wonder, guys, where you can expect to find it. So some of you may or may not have this one, depending on which model you have. But if you have one, it will be relay 54 right here. If you don't have that one, the relay function is controlled by the engine computer, guys. So if you had a bad fuel pump and you replaced it, in some cases you may need to reset your fuel pump control module, engine computer, reset the codes in all computers in the car, and because otherwise that can prevent the new fuel pump from working. But that's the most common locations for fuel pump fuse and relay. So guys, this Dodge Challenger has all kinds of different fuses and relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll guys put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones put in the glove box, because one time we needed a spare, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.